Hi, Mariano here. Congratulations, you have successfully completed our free Spanish beginners training here on Spring Spanish. This really is an achievement since most people don't usually get this far, so please give yourself a pat on the back from me. You have now learned to make small talk, ask questions, apologize, and describe yourself and other people. You have also learned to talk about the most important topics like nationality, your family, hobbies, and work. So now you know all the basics that you need to have conversations with native speakers. What do you like the most? What was new for you? What did you learn? Please tell us in the comments below so that we know how useful this course was for you. Are you ready now to take it a step further and learn Spanish in a structured way? Then, I highly recommend that you register to our free Spanish training at our Spring Spanish Academy. In this training, you'll learn everything you need to know about the chunking method that we use at Spring Spanish. This method allows you to speak and understand Spanish without having to memorize word lists and grammar rules. You have actually already learned Spanish secretly with this method in all the previous videos, so it'll be really easy to understand and to put into practice. You will also get some free sample lessons straight from our academy, so you can really only win. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description box and come to our free training now.